has announced the appointment of the 8 opposition senators. They are Donna Marie Scott Motley, Professor Floyd Morris, Lambert Brown, Kisha Gay Anderson, Alan Bernard, Dr. Maziki Tame, Ramon Small Ferguson, and Cleveland Tomlinson. The PNP announced the senators in a media release a short while ago. It says the party welcomes the appointment as they bring a variety of relevant expertise, experience, and commitment to national service. The party says the group represents the values and vision of the PNP and will play a critical role in advancing policies and reviewing legislation that promotes social justice, equity, and sustainable development for the people of Jamaica.
And the PNP is skipping the public session of its annual conference this year. This after the party was defeated for a third consecutive time at the September 3 polls. The annual conference is usually held in September, but it's understood that the PNP has scheduled a private session for November 30. It follows the election of the party president and vice presidents, which is scheduled for 2 weeks prior on November 15. The slate of events coincides with the JLP's annual conference, which is traditionally held in November.
Telecommunications company Digicel says mobile services have been fully restored to customers affected by network disruptions